Antes. Agora.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you.
Can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the
Enterprise, que é o nosso carro, apelido do nosso carro, estacionado no Vale dos Pássaros. Aqui, finalmente, depois de muita estrada de chão, acho que foram 60 quilômetros, estamos na Vale dos Pássaros. Agora, dia 29 de dezembro, são esses os valores. Você desce por um lugar bem difícil, que você nem sabe que tem isso aqui embaixo. Para chegar até aqui, é bem difícil. Tem lugar que não tem placa, e aí tem que seguir frente. GPS não mostra, some tudo, mas tá aí, ó. Vale dos Pássaros.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
coisas que os vídeos da internet não mostram. O caminho é bem fechadinho. Todos os passeios que a gente faz normalmente, que são turísticos, aonde passa pedestre, é de fácil acesso e limpo. Aqui na Cachoeira do Seu Davi, não, tá? É rústico. O capim vai batendo na perna. O capim vai batendo na perna. Se tiver pele sensível, realmente é bom vir de calça comprida.